Hey everyone, welcome back to Soft Healthy. Today, we're talking about small but powerful habits that can transform your health without drastic changes. These are super easy to start today, so let's jump in. First up, hydration. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body needs water. Try drinking a glass first thing in the morning to kickstart digestion and energy. You don't need a gym, just move. A short walk, yoga, or dancing counts. It boosts mood, metabolism, and keeps you active. Cut to clips of different exercises, walking, home workouts, cycling. Processed foods drain energy. Instead, snack on nuts, fruits, or veggies. Small swaps like brown rice instead of white make a big difference. Slow down. Eating without screens helps digestion and prevents overeating. Try chewing 20 times per bite. It's a game changer. Blue light messes with sleep. Try reading or journaling before bed. Your sleep quality will thank you. That's it. 5 easy habits for a healthier you. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.